Why am I upcycling these days? They're just copying all my stuff. But anyway. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the mirror table. What you bring to the table is a reflection of you, and we're bringing so much to the table. I know you saw the video title, and we'll get into that in a minute. But for now, let's talk about this new do. I got a new do. So I wanted to cut my hair short and have something bold and edgy. So this is what we got, guys. I'm really loving it. Very easy to take care of. Very fun to style. Just having fun with it. So where have I been? First of all, I have been doing, well, I'm a TikTok shop affiliate. So I've been doing TikToks like crazy. So TikTok sends me products and I do videos on them, and I've been selling products on TikTok shop. So it's been so much fun. I've learned so much. I have so many cool products that I want to share with you guys, and I want to bring more of that to the table as well. What else? I've been into skincare and home decor and fashion, just so many cool things that I want to share with you guys about TikTok shop and kind of incorporate that into my content. And we're gonna do a get ready with me. So I'm gonna put on some lipstick. I did my face. And so another thing, skincare. I've been getting into Korean skincare. My skin has been like a flawless. I've been loving it. And we're gonna put on a TikTok shop outfit that I'm going to put on TikTok shop today. So I'm gonna show you guys these pieces, and then we'll talk about upcycling. Am I going to keep doing upcycling, or am I going to kind of get more into it? So we'll see. I'll tell you guys in a minute, but let's put on some lipstick and then let's go get dressed. Okay, so I'm lining my lips with the Night Moth. This is by MAC, Night Moth lip liner. So I'll just line my lips with that. And then I have this new lipstick. It is by Stay Golden Cosmetics. It's so pretty. It's like a really matte, earth tone color. I really like this. So I'm gonna put this on. Look how pretty. This is beautiful. I sell this on TikTok shop too, so I will put the link below if you like this. But it's called Yardie. Stay Golden Cosmetics. A really pretty color. I really like it. So that's it for the lips. So let's go. Let me show you this outfit that I'm gonna put on TikTok shop today. And really cute, but let's go get it. Okay, so they sent me this top from TikTok shop. It's a jacket. Really cute, really pretty. And I'm like, I don't know how the heck I'm going to style this. I'm a stylist, but I got to figure out how I'm going to style this. I'm like really challenged. So I'm like, let me show you the jacket. So cute. It's so pretty and pink. It's really pretty. Look how fuzzy. So fuzzy and pretty and warm. It's fully lined. Really cute jacket, but I'm like, what am I going to wear with this? So I click on Google AI and I asked Google AI, like, how do I style this? And this is what they said. And it's like, where were your favorite jeans? I'm like, say less, Google. I can do that. So let me show you the jeans I'm going to wear it with. And it said jeans and a t-shirt. I'm like, such simple basics. That's why it's good to have basic pieces in your wardrobe, like jeans and a white t-shirt, because you can put anything on with them. So this jacket is how we're going to style this jacket, with a pair of my favorite jeans and a basic white t-shirt. And let's go ahead and get dressed. Let me show you the jeans. They sent them to me from TikTok shop. I also got this shirt from TikTok shop. So let me show you the stuff. Hold on. Okay. So these are the jeans. These are really, look at these. Pretty crystals. You guys remember when I upcycled some jeans and I put all these crystals on them? This is why I'm like, why am I upcycling these days? They're just copying all my stuff. But anyway. These are really cute, and they put little crystals out on them. These are like oversized jeans. I'll show you the full view once I try them on. But really cute jeans, a really great price. I'm gonna link these below as well, so you can find these on TikTok shop. And let me show you the white t-shirt. Just a basic white t-shirt, and I like it that it's stretchy. But real cute. It's got little ruching on the sides and like an asymmetrical hemline. Real cute, but you'll see once I put it on. So white t-shirt and jeans. According to Google, this look is supposed to be like really, really cute. So let me start getting dressed.
I'll look at you and say, not about what my craze.
Okay, Google, I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. Let's see how this looks, guys. Check the mirror. Cute. I like. Okay. Okay, Google. All right, let's add some accessories. I need a handbag. I need some shoes. Let's see what we got. Okay, guys, so we're going to go into the purse closet. And I think I like this bag because the denim matches my jeans. It has these cute little pearls. I think I have some pearls I can make a belt with. So we're going to go with this cute bag. Got it from TikTok shop. Look how cute this is. So let's go get some other accessories. Okay, so let's see. So these are the pearls. I just have like a strand of pearls. I'm gonna wrap this around my waist. So see how cute that goes. We've got these little pearls here, and the little pearls are right there. So that's gonna be super cute. So let's see what other accessories we can find. Guys, check out my jewelry cabinet. I got this from the thrift store. Super cute. I just painted, put some gold paint. Let's put some gold paint right here, and let's go in and show you all the cool things that I have in here. Some of these things are vintage. Some of these things are, I got from TikTok shop. But I'm thinking these are my vintage Coach. This is vintage Kate Spade and vintage Coach. Actually, I thrifted all of these. These are old bangle bracelets. Thrifted, guys. You got to make sure you're old with your new, you're thrifted, you're reused, all those things. How about this necklace? This is a Chloe necklace that I thrifted, and as a cute little heart that might kind of match my jacket pretty good. So if I can get this down, we'll go with this little, oh, things getting a little tangled here. Let's see, hold on a second. Yes, I think this will be perfect. So I'm gonna take this down. Cute little heart. All right, earrings. Okay, so I got a ton of earrings. Some of these I made from upcycled things. Some I got from TikTok shop, some are thrifted, but tons and tons of earrings and bracelets. So I'm thinking, let's see, oh, these cute butterflies. These have like the pink in it, so and some other colors, blue, like go with the denim. So I think we're gonna do these cute little butterflies. So those are cute. So okay, so now we gotta find some shoes. Let's look for shoes. Okay, I couldn't find the original shoes I was looking for. So I'm just gonna wear these cowgirl boots are thigh high, but you won't notice. I'll continue the bling down to the shoe, and the pants are nice and wide, so they cover up the shoes pretty good. So we're gonna go with these shoes, which I think are cute. These are on TikTok shop too, guys. Super cute, love these. Okay, so now I think I need one more thing, and I'll show you guys the final look. I think I need a hat. So I'm going to add this baseball hat. So this is my upcycled piece. So you guys know I always like to start with something old, something new, something thrifted, and something reused. And this is my reused upcycled piece. It's a baseball hat. So let's see the final look.
Tell me what you're thinking. Give me what you're drinking. You're thinking, give me what you're drinking. You and me, we got something special, baby. You and me.
Okay, so today I got 2 packages, 2 items. I always love getting packages in TikTok shop. Feels like it's Christmas every day. It's kind of cool. So you guys get to see, the first to see me unbox this. So let's see what this is. This looks like a piece of clothing. Let's see. This is it. Oh, cool. Okay, so I ordered this jacket that I actually wanted to wear with these jeans that I have on right now, and so I'll do another video. So this is a jacket, and it has the crystals on the sleeves and crystals right here. So it kind of goes with the jeans that I styled in this video. So we'll have to come back and do another styling with this jacket. But look, it has crystals down here, it has it on the sleeve, it's black and super cute. So I'll look for that. I'll be mailing that soon. Got another package to see. So this feels like a handbag. So let's unbox this and see what it is. But let's see. Ooh, this is hard to open. But yeah, so I get packages every single day, and I always have to unbox them. If it's clothing, I steam them and get them ready, and I usually come with a style concept before it comes. But something like this here, I was like, what am I gonna wear with this? But it came out really cute. I love it. Oh, pretty. Oh, how pretty. TikTok shop got some cute stuff, guys. This is super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I have an evening dress that I got sent, so I am going to style this bag with that. But look how pretty. That is so gorgeous, guys. So pretty. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here with TikTok shop. Let me show you some other things that I do want to show on this channel. I am an interior designer as well as a fashion designer. I'm college educated in both. So I do want to show you guys some interior design. I do a lot of upcycling with interior design. So I'm working on 2 rooms in my home that I really want to share with you guys. I'll kind of give you a little sneak peek and let you know what's going on. But let's come down and I'll show you that. Come on. So this is a room divider. I'm working on building a wall here. So in this part of the wall, I want it to be like my living room library. So my mom and I put these pieces up here. We put the wall up, and these are actually doors that we recycle from closets. So we had closets, we had these real thick wood doors, and they kept falling down. So we decided to repurpose them and make a wall here to divide these 2 areas. So in this area, it's going to be a living room library. It's a little mess right now because we have to move things to do the wall, but I'll show you soon. This will be decorated for the holidays. So it's going to be a library in here. And then on this side of the wall, we're going to be doing shelves. So I want to do a little coffee bar area. So it's going to be shelves. I'm going to have coffee and teas and mugs and things like that. And then shelving on this side too. And this is a wall that I kind of decorated for the little coffee area. Bon appetit. You see little coffee things here. So this is like a gallery wall that are created to kind of, feature this room. So I'm going to film content and all that stuff in here. So just stay tuned. And this is some of the things I'm going to be bringing to the channel. So the final answer, am I really giving up upcycling altogether? Absolutely not. I'm actually going to add more value to my content. I want to include some interior design upcycles, as well as some fashion upcycles, and I want to add more value to my content. So I'm going to be adding some skincare. I have so many tips and tricks about skincare and so many great products I want you guys to be aware of. Let's see, I have some for the holidays. I have a lot of holiday DIYs coming, so I'm gonna do my version of Vlogmas. So I'm gonna get started with that in November so I can give you guys a chance to do some of these DIY projects. But I have a lot of more valuable content to add to my channel, and I just want to expand that beyond fashion. So I will be doing a lot more upcycles just in other areas, interior design and little DIY projects and things like that, as well as adding my TikTok shop content and some skincare as well as fashion. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I hope some more of you guys watch this video and will subscribe as well. We're almost to 10,000 subscribers, guys, so I'm so excited about that. I'm going to keep adding more and more long form content as well as bringing my short form content. And short form, I'm going to add some skincare and some more little home decor DIY projects. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Subscribe to my channel and find out what I'm bringing to the table. Bye.